Hi students, welcome to Shorthand Hub channel. This is Harinaganand, Idumudi Shorthand instructor. In this video, I am going to discuss about the importance of transcription in stenography. Before going into the topic, I want to say a few words about my institute. For the shorthand subject, I am conducting both online and offline classes for the students. I am offering general and legal dictations for all shorthand grades. Okay, now we are going into the topic of importance of transcription in stenography. In this video, I am going to go into detail about my opinion regarding the stages we should take to complete a solid transcription based on my expertise and experience in the area. There are 9 methods. First one is consider the transcription as a test rather than a formality. Every transcription we complete each day serves as a mirror that reflects the status of our stenography. It needs to be taken seriously and handled like a test. Therefore, we should record the dictation using our customary writing instrument, that is a sharp pencil or pen on a good shorthand notebook. Next one, read the dictation before you typing or writing. Prior to starting to type or write the transcription, read the dictation. Make it a point to read each dictation before you begin writing or typing. The reason is that when we read something before writing it, we are able to understand the context and apply our minds to challenging and substituted words. Moreover, when we transcribe and write it, it becomes fluid and quick, and we do not have to go back repeatedly. I believe that if at all possible, we should extend our reading time in case we are unable to finish within the allotted time. And that is achievable if we can type quickly and are confident in finishing it before the deadline. Next one is try to understand the meaning. Preferably, the transcription should be done in double spacing and printed on paper. Develop the practice of reading the entire sentence or piece of writing before you begin to type. This will make it easier for you to write on a prompt and greatly reduce your likelihood of missing a line or lines, which happens to some people. Also, pay attention to your punctuation. Next one is mark the mistakes honestly. It is crucial to proofread and note each error honestly and without making any excuses, preferably with a red pen to make the error stand out. Checking and identifying errors should ideally be done in accordance with the widely used standard method established by the authorities. That is, word missing, supplemental words, words have been changed, misspelled words, singular and plural errors, typing mistakes, incorrect outlines. Next one is take the mistakes in the right spirit. We gain a lot of knowledge from the daily transcription, which aids in the ongoing growth of our output. Let's resist giving up on the transcription of challenging passages because they present us with the chance to pick up additional vocabulary. Adequate practice of words and phrases. It is advised to preserve a physical copy of every transcription for future reference and to track the development. After spotting each and every error, we must practice the new words and phrases in the transcription thoroughly. Additionally, it is advised to rewrite the same piece of transcription at least 3 or 4 times or until we are confident in our ability to do so. General but important. The more we value transcribing and practice it religiously, the more benefits we will receive from it. To avoid developing a poor habit, it is preferably to skip a day's transcription than to do it half-heartedly or with insufficient effort. If we make it a habit to correctly complete our daily transcriptions, appearing in skill exams won't give us any stress or discomfort because it will become second nature to us. These are all the methods to improve our transcription. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.